Hello guys, Bastian here. I'm from Slovenia in Europe, and in this video I will show you how you can make passive income every day, every week, every month, every year. I've been doing this for about 15 years, and you can trust me 100%. Here you can see the account of the client who invested 10 kilo dollars, 10,000, but you can start with $1,000. In 1 month, the profit was more than 30%. You can see here we start with 16th October, and in 1 month and few days profit is more than $4,000. So profit is every day. Here you can see last week profit is almost $3,000. Yesterday, so today is 20, so from yesterday, so profit is $240. So before I present you my offer, let me tell you that you can contact me in many ways. All links are in the description. So the thing is very simple. You just open a trading account with International Capital Markets, broker from Australia, send me the server login information, and I do the rest. The minimum deposit is $1,000. Of course, you can make more. The expected profit or passive income daily is from 1 to 2%. Every week I make a calculation and we share profit 60% for you and 40% for me. That's it. Trust me, this is a 100% safe investment and you won't find a better deal because you don't have to work here. If you want more information, contact me at mail or other channels. All links are below in the description. Have a good time and good luck. Bye.